Hello children, good morning. Today we are going to learn the continuation part of the lesson looking at the earth. We are going to learn the continuation reading part of the lesson looking at the earth. In our previous class we have completed our reading part shape of the earth, and today I am going to continue from tools to study the earth globe. Okay, TOOLS tools, TO2 STUDY study, THED EARTH earth, GLOBE globe. The earth is huge in size. THED EARTH earth, IS is HUGE huge, IN SIZE size. We need a model of the earth to study it. WVV NEED need a MODEL model OF of THED EARTH earth, TO2 STUDY study it. A globe is a small round model of the earth. A GLOBE globe. IS is a SMALL small, ROUND round, MODEL model OF of THED EARTH earth. A globe tells us how the oceans, countries and continents are placed on the earth's surface. A GLOBE globe, TELLS tells US us how, HOW how, THED OCEANS oceans, COUNTRIES countries, AND and CONTINENTS continents, ARER PLACED placed, ON THED EARTH is its surface, SURFACE surface. But but it has some disadvantages. It HAS has, SOME some, DISADVANTAGES disadvantages. See next line. We can only see half of the earth at a time on a globe. WVV CAN ONLY only, SEEC HALF OF THED EARTH earth, ATIME time, ON a globe, GLOBE globe. We need to rotate the globe to see the other half. WVV NEED need, TO2 rotate, ROTATE rotate, THED GLOBE globe to SEEC THED other half, OTHER other half, HALF half. It is not possible to study the places on the globe in detail because of its small size. It IS is NOT not, POSSIBLE possible, TO2 STUDY study, THED PLACES places on the globe, GLOBE globe in detail, DETAIL detail, because of ECAUSE because of its small size, SMALL small, SIZE size. It is difficult to carry a globe from one place to another place. it, is ease, difficult, difficult, 2 carry, carry, globe, globe, from, one, place, place, another. Maps were designed to solve these problems. MAPS maps, WERE DESIGNED design, TO2 SOLVE is solve these problems. THESE these, PROBLEMS problems. Okay children, now come to open next page. Maps. Map. A map is a drawing of the earth on a flat surface or paper. A MAP map is a drawing, DRAWING, drawing of the earth, EARTH, earth on a flat surface, FLAT, flat, SURFACE, surface, or paper, PAPER, paper. Unlike a globe, we can see the entire earth with all the land and water bodies at one glance on a map. UNLIKE, unlike a GLOBE, globe, we can see the entire, ENTIRE, entire earth, 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 with WITH, with all the land, 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 and water bodies, WATER, water, BODIES, bodies, at one glance, GLANCE, glance on a map, MAP, map. A map helps us study different landforms and water bodies on the earth's surface more closely. A MAP map, HELPS, helps us study different, DIFFERENT, different landforms, LANDFORMS, landforms and water bodies, WATER, water, BODIES, bodies on the earth's surface, EARTH is earth's, SURFACE, surface, more closely, MORE, more, CLOSELY, closely. We can fold or roll a map and carry it easily. WVV, can, FOLD, fold, or ROLL, roll a MAP map and carry, CARRY, carry it easily. EASILY, easily. There are very large maps called wall maps. THERE, there are very, 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 LARGE, large, MAPS maps called WALL, wall, MAPS maps, wall maps. We hang these maps on the walls. We hang, 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 THESE, these MAPS maps on the walls, WALLS, walls. There is a special book of maps called Atlas. THERE, there is a special, 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 BOOK, book of maps called ATLAS, Atlas. Okay children, once go through tools to study the earth, globe and maps part. Okay, once read it twice or thrice, like 2 to 3 times. Okay children, thank you children, bye all of you.